Hello and welcome to the ChatUP POS training series. In this video, we'll take our very first steps inside the POS dashboard. Together, we'll start with logging in, then move on to building the organizational structure, and finally explore how to manage roles, members, and companies in the system. To begin, open your browser and go to this link. Here, you'll see the login screen. Enter your user account and password, then click Login. Before entering the dashboard, the system may ask you to complete a quick robot verification puzzle. Simply follow the instructions on screen by dragging a slider. Once the verification is complete, you'll be logged in and ready to use the POS dashboard. At the top right corner, you'll also find a language button. Click here if you'd like to switch the interface language before continuing. Now, let's get familiar with the interface. At the top, you'll see the general tabs, including customer list, order list, product, reporting data, promotion and marketing, transaction history, and settings. On the top right, you'll find the download list and the login menu, where you can change your password or log out anytime. When you click on any of the general tabs or menus, the system will open it as a banner or tab at the top. You can also close all open tabs at once with a single click. On the left side, you'll find the submenu for each tab. And right in the main page area, you can customize what's shown and view key data. The very first setup that we will dive in is company management. Head over to Settings, where you can begin by filling out your company's basic information by clicking Company Management. Click Create to add a new company, then choose whether it's for direct management or franchise management. Enter details such as the company name, registration number, sales and service tax ID, and company address. Once created, companies can also be searched, edited, or deleted at any time. This ensures your company information is complete and consistent across the system. After that, we move to role management. It will determine who can access what inside the system. Roles are designed to control user access and permissions within the system. By default, there are 4 built-in roles: Super Admin, Admin, Store Manager, and Cashier. To create a new role, click Create. Choose whether the role is for the system backend or POS cashier, then enter a role name and assign permissions. For data permissions, you can define the scope of access, either all data, data for a specific organization and its sub-organizations, or data for one specific organization only. Under Menu Permissions, you have more flexibility to decide exactly which features this role can access. Once everything is set, click Confirm to save the role. All roles can be searched, viewed, edited, or deleted. However, keep in mind that the default built-in roles have limited editing options. With roles created, the next step is to add employees into the system and assign those roles. To add a new employee member, click Create. First, select the organization they belong to. By default, you'll see the head organization name, but for more specific assignments, you can choose through the organization structure later or come back here once the structure has been set up. Next, enter the member's name, login account, and password. Assign them a role, then click OK to save. If you assign the store manager role, remember to set up an authorization code. This ensures that whenever a cashier processes a refund, the store manager's code will be required for approval. You can search, edit, or delete members at any time. You can also filter results by member name, login account, account status, or role name, making tracking and analysis more efficient. Once roles and members are in place, we can now design the organizational structure, the backbone of store and regional management. This section should follow the store's actual management scope, as it will later be used to add stores, define regional areas, and set data permissions. You can organize this structure by country, region, province, or any grouping that fits your business needs. Click the Organization button. In the pop-up window, select the parent organization. This is your first level, such as the brand name, country level, or others. Then, enter the organization name. This becomes your second level, such as a province or region, and click Confirm. If you hover over an organization name, you'll see a menu with 3 dots. This gives you options to add subnodes for creating another subregion or category, as well as edit or delete. Keep in mind that you can build up to 3 levels of organizational structure. The 4th level is reserved for the store itself. With the structure in place, the next step is to add the actual stores under it. Next, you can also click Tag Management to add more tags. Then, you can click Add, enter the tag name, and confirm. You can also edit the tag name by clicking the Edit button and click Delete to remove the tag. Click Create to add a new store. Fill in the key details, starting with the store name, store code, and store type. You can also add tags for easier tracking. Choose which company the store belongs to, and enter its tax number. Next, complete the store's address including longitude, latitude, and postal code to help customers easily locate it through the app. Add the phone number, assign a store manager, set business hours, and link associated staff. Then, define the store status, open or closed, select the supported distribution channels such as online ordering, offline store, or delivery platforms, and configure the platform menu. Once everything is set, click OK to save. From there, stores can be quickly searched by name, code, or status. You can also edit their details or switch their status between open and closed either individually or in bulk. And to make management even smoother, the system also lets you apply or update menu templates for multiple stores at once. Simply select the stores. Click Batch Update menu, choose the platform to adjust, set the new template, and click Confirm. The system also supports batch add tags. Click the button. Then click Add, enter the tag name, and click Confirm. You can also click Batch Remove Tags to remove multiple tags. Select the tags and click Confirm. To control multiple stores' status, select the stores. Click Open and Confirm to activate a store, or click Close and Confirm to disable it. And if you ever need the data on hand, you can export it for reporting and analysis. Next, let's take a look at the notification management feature. With this feature, the backend supports sending message notifications to either dashboard and POS cashier. This allows administrators to easily communicate important updates directly to users within the system. First, click Type Management. Here, you can click Add, then enter the type name. The name you enter will appear in the Type Management list. Once the notification type is ready, you can start creating a new notification. Click Create, then enter the notification name and select the notification type by entering the relevant keyword. When creating notification content, you can include text content as well as images. The system supports up to 3 images per notification, giving you more flexibility when sharing announcements, instructions, or promotional information. Then, you can choose which staff members will receive the notification. Simply click the Staff button in the Notification Members section. Select the staff you want to notify, and click Confirm. Then, decide when the notification should be sent. You can choose to send it immediately or schedule it for a specific time, making it easier to plan your communications in advance. Once everything is set, click Confirm to create the notification. After that, the notification will appear in the notification list. You can also use the search function to quickly find a specific notification. To check messages received by your account, the notification pop-up will appear in the top right corner of the page. From there, you'll be able to view all notifications sent to your account. The badge on the notification icon indicates the number of unread messages, helping you quickly identify if there are new updates. Unread messages will appear in bold, including both the message title and content, so you can easily distinguish them from messages you've already opened. On the POS cashier interface, pop-up notifications appear in the bottom right corner of the screen. When a new message arrives, the notification icon shows the number of unread messages, just like on the dashboard. Simply click the notification to view the full message and details. And that completes the initial setup starting from login all the way through company, roles, members, organization, and store management. With these foundations in place, your ChatUP POS system is now ready for smooth day-to-day operations. In the next video, we'll guide you through how to create and manage your product menu in the dashboard.